Filter out stormwater pollutants with Stormtration solutions. For years, you've known us for our Spilltration products, but we know you're not just sitting around waiting for a spill to happen. That's why we're developing solutions to help you stay ahead of stormwater pollution. If preventing stormwater pollution is part of your job, you need the best tools to keep dirt, oil, heavy metals, and other contaminants from heading downstream. Standard drain inserts and perimeter solutions haven't changed in decades, and sometimes they just don't cut it. Your site needs fast, easy-to-implement solutions that do a better job of stopping pollutants before they enter drains or leave your construction zone. Our new Stormtration products are designed for construction and post-construction stormwater management, perimeter and outfall protection, erosion and sedimentation control, and multi-contaminant removal, including heavy metals, sediment, oils, nutrients, and emerging contaminants. Here's a look at some of our field-tested and proven Stormtration solutions. SlurrySox with Char 21 Media Blend provide perimeter protection in sensitive areas by removing heavy metals, nutrients, oils, and greases. Pollution-grabbing silt fence slows stormwater flow and captures sediment. Biodegradable silt fence eliminates the need for removal at the end of a project. Grizzly inlet filter mats provide above-grade filtration of debris, sediment, and hydrocarbons while allowing clean water to pass through. HuskyGuard Above-Drain Filters offer post-construction filtration of debris, sediment, oils, and greases with an easy-to-maintain above-grade design. Husky dam socks and filter dikes filter sediment, oils, and greases and are weighted to stay put. SlurrySox weighted filter dikes are quick and easy to deploy, ideal for filtering concrete cutting slurry, and reusable from job to job. If your perimeter and outfall filters haven't changed in over a decade, it's time for an upgrade. Give us a call. We'll help you find better products that capture more contaminants, save you time, and cut costs.